Audi, hidden MMI menus, smart resets, and settings that change everything. Episode 3, Part 1. If you drive an Audi, there is a strong chance that the most frustrating problems you experience are not mechanical at all. They are software-related, configuration-related, or the result of systems inside your Audi not being properly aligned. Sitting inside the Audi interior, looking at the Audi cockpit and the Audi MMI screen, most drivers assume that what they see is all there is. In reality, Audi has built multiple layers of control, information, and configuration beneath the visible menus. These layers are powerful, but they are also poorly explained. From the moment you start your Audi, the Audi MMI system begins coordinating communication between multiple control units. The Audi dashboard, the Audi infotainment screen, the Audi steering controls, and even the Audi driver assistance systems all rely on this coordination. When something feels slow, unresponsive, or inconsistent, the problem is often not a broken component. It is a system that needs to be reset, realigned, or correctly configured. Many Audi owners experience symptoms such as frozen screens, delayed responses, Bluetooth disconnections, navigation glitches, or audio issues. Looking at the Audi interior, everything still looks premium and modern. The Audi screens are bright, the Audi cockpit feels solid, and the Audi controls respond most of the time. Because the system still works partially, these issues are often dismissed as minor bugs. Over time, however, they accumulate and degrade the overall Audi driving experience. One of the biggest misunderstandings involves resets. Many drivers believe that turning the car off and on is enough to reset the system. In Audi vehicles, this is rarely true. The Audi MMI system stores temporary states, cached data, and learned behavior. Without a proper reset, these elements remain active. This is why some Audi systems continue behaving strangely, even after the car has been parked overnight. Audi engineers designed the MMI system to be flexible and adaptive. That flexibility allows updates, feature expansion, and compatibility across generations. But flexibility also means complexity. Hidden beneath the visible Audi menus are configuration layers that control how the system behaves in specific conditions. These include energy-saving modes, communication priorities, and regional settings. Most Audi owners are never shown these layers, yet they influence daily usability more than most hardware components. Another factor that complicates the situation is the interaction between the Audi MMI system and the rest of the vehicle. The infotainment does not operate in isolation. It reacts to battery condition, temperature, vehicle speed, and network traffic between modules. This is why MMI problems often appear together with other electronic symptoms. The Audi interior feels fine, but multiple systems are slightly out of sync. Understanding this changes how you approach problems. Instead of assuming failure, you begin asking better questions. Is the Audi MMI system responding slowly only during startup? Does it behave differently after short trips? Do glitches appear more often after maintenance or battery work? These patterns matter. Audi systems rarely misbehave randomly. They follow logic, even when that logic is hidden. This episode focuses on bringing clarity to that hidden logic, not by encouraging risky changes, but by explaining how Audi systems are structured and how correct resets and settings can restore stability. Once you understand that many issues are software states rather than defects, ownership becomes far less stressful. You stop chasing problems and start managing the system intelligently. Episode 3, Part 2. Now that you understand how central the Audi MMI system is to overall vehicle behavior, it is time to focus on practical awareness. Still seated inside your Audi, with the Audi interior surrounding you and the Audi cockpit illuminated, the goal is not to modify everything. The goal is knowing when a reset or configuration check is appropriate and when it is not. One of the most effective actions an Audi owner can take is performing proper system resets at the right time. Audi MMI systems have specific reset procedures that clear temporary data. When done correctly, these resets can resolve lag, restore Bluetooth stability, fix audio issues, and improve responsiveness. When done incorrectly or excessively, they can create confusion. Understanding that balance is critical. Hidden menus are another area surrounded by myths. On certain Audi generations, additional menus exist that provide deeper access to system information. These menus are often discussed online without context. The truth is that they are diagnostic tools, not customization playgrounds. Used carefully, they can help confirm system status. Used blindly, they can create real problems. Knowing that these menus exist is useful. Knowing when not to touch them is even more important. Many Audi owners mistake configuration limitations for failures. Regional settings, energy-saving priorities, and software versions can all limit what the Audi MMI system allows at a given moment. The Audi interior may look identical between two vehicles, yet their systems behave differently due to configuration alone. Recognizing this prevents unnecessary frustration. Another key point involves updates. Audi software updates are not just feature additions. They often include stability improvements and communication fixes between modules. Skipping updates or applying them inconsistently can leave systems partially aligned. This is why some Audi vehicles develop persistent glitches after updates. Awareness of this process helps you decide when updates are worth pursuing. Observation remains one of the most powerful tools. Watch how the Audi MMI system behaves during startup. Notice how quickly menus load. These details reveal whether the system is healthy or struggling. Audi vehicles usually provide subtle warnings long before complete failure. This knowledge gives you control. Instead of accepting instability as normal, you begin understanding the cause. Instead of fearing hidden menus, you respect their purpose. Instead of blaming hardware, you evaluate software states first. This approach saves time, money, and stress. This episode completes the foundation of the Audi series. You now understand how Audi communicates and how the MMI system ties everything together. With this knowledge, Audi ownership becomes clearer and more predictable.